On today's show, we go to the wilderness of the living room. There are many wild animals in the living room, including the mouse. The mouse is frolicking about the floor, living its life in peace. Over stalking next to it is the cat. The cat is a vicious predator. The predator is very hungry. The mouse senses that there is a problem. You can tell because it looks nervous. The cat looks very hungry. That's because she is brown. You can tell that she is hungry by the way that she is wagging her tail. Oh, she attacks and pounces. She chases it under a chair. The mouse hops about. The cat looks at it. It is very interesting. The mouse hops to the edge of the staircase and eventually runs down. The cat comes up in pride and glory with the mouse in its mouth, ready to eat its prey. The cat rips the mouse to pieces. After a good while of chewing on the mouse, the kill is done. This is nature in your own living room.